Hi kiddos! Okay, so today in phonics we're going to be talking more about compound words, okay? And who can tell me what compound words are? That's right, they are when we take two words and we put them together and they make a brand new word, okay? Now boys and girls, we cannot do that with every word, okay? So like if I took the word foot and sock, so you take the word foot and the word sock, you put them together and get foot sock. Is that a word? Is that a real word? No. Okay, so it doesn't work with every single word, okay? But let's say I say you take the word sun and the word shine, put them together and get sunshine. Is that a compound word? Yes. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to do a little activity together, okay? So what I need for you to do is I need you to go get one piece of paper, okay? A piece of paper that looks anything like this. Okay, kiddos, so it's going to look anything like this. It can be a white piece of paper, whatever color paper that mom and dad have, okay? Now, boys and girls, this is going to take a lot of fruit of the spirit patience, okay? So we're going to walk through this step by step, okay? Don't get frustrated. Okay, you can do this, all right? So we're gonna have our piece of paper just like this. And what I want you to do is I want you to take one side and I want you to just fold it into the middle. Now look, is my paper like this? No, it's like this. So you're gonna take it and you're gonna fold it into the middle. Does it have to be perfect? No, okay? So now your paper should look like that. Do you see I have a little bit of a fold? Okay, now you're going to come over here and you're going to take the other side of your paper and you're going to do the same thing and you're just going to fold it, okay? So do we see what that looks like? Okay, so your two edges should be meeting in the middle. Now again, does it have to be perfect? No. Okay, so now what you're going to do, boys and girls, is you're going to take some scissors and you are going to cut right in the middle of this flap, okay? So I'm going to turn my paper this way so that you can kind of see it. So I'm going to take it, doesn't have to be perfect, and I'm just going to cut the flap all the way to the folded part, okay? Do we see how I just did that? So now, how many flaps do I have here? I have two, that's right. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my paper and I'm gonna do the same thing on this other side, okay? So, okay, I went ahead and cut my other side off camera because it was hard to do it with just one hand. So, this is what your page should look like. So when you open it, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, do we see that? Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it back into the middle. Okay, so let's think about some compound words, boys and girls. Okay, so we just watched a song that gave us some compound words, okay? So I want you to brainstorm some compound words that you could use, okay? And you're going to write them on the front, okay? Now listen, are you gonna do the example that I'm doing? No, you're not, okay? You're going to come up with your own compound words, okay? So for example, boys and girls, let's say I do the word butterfly. So on the first flap, I'm going to draw a stick of butter, and then I'm going to write the word. So ooh, secret story, there we go, E-R. So here's my butter, and I'm gonna just draw it first, and then I'm gonna come back, and then I'm gonna color it, okay? And then so butter, and then I'm gonna come over here, and I'm gonna draw my fly. Now, does it have to be perfect? No, just do the very best that you can, okay? So my butterfly, now I have to write full I. Oh, I know an I can't go at the end, so what could I use there? What says I? Oh, I know, a sneaky Y. Okay, so now I have butter fly. Now, boys and girls, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up. Okay, now I'm still leaving these bottom ones closed. Okay, do we see that? They're still closed. I'm not touching those yet. So right now, all I have is butter and fly. So now when I open these up, guess what I'm going to draw on here? A really big butterfly. And why would I do that? Because what do these two words make? You take the word butter and the word fly. You put them together and get butterfly. So guess what I'm going to write in here? Fly. And remember, after I draw, I'll go back in color, okay? So, does everybody see how I did that? So I took my word, butter, and fly, and when I put them together, I get butterfly. Look at that. Okay, so now we're going to do another one. So I think, let me think, what could be another one that I could do? Ooh, I know. I'm going to do, you take the word sun. So let me write sun. You take the word sun and the word flower. Full, oh, that's a blend. Full ow. Ooh, what says ow? Ow. Good. Ow. Oh, just like up here. ER. Okay, so I take the word sun and the word flower, put them together and get, what do I get? I get the word sunflower. So I'm going to draw really big. Oh, maybe. Sorry, guys. It's hard to do with one hand. So I'm going to draw my sunflower, and then guess what I'm going to write? Full blend, full ow. Sunflower. Do you see how I did that? Sunflower has all kinds of little dots in it. And I'm going to go back in color. Okay, so now, boys and girls, look at my little flip book that I've made. Okay, so this is my compound word flip book. Okay, so I took the word butter and the word fly. You put them together and get butterfly. Then I took the word sun and the word flower. I put them together and get sunflower. Do we see how I did that, boys and girls? Okay, so what I would like for you to do, boys and girls, is you're going to do this all by yourself, okay? Now, if you can't think of any compound words, go back to the link before this one, and you can watch the video again, and it will give you some really good ideas on compound words, okay? Now, listen, are you going to use the compound words that Miss Barton used? No, ma'am. You're going to think of your own compound words, okay? And then we would love it if you would take a picture with your compound book that you made and send it to your teacher, okay? We love you, and we will see you soon. Bye, kiddos.